Hi, my name is Patrick Blanco. The last four digits of my Ample ID is 5261. Today is May 23rd, 2022. It's 7:07 p.m. On my honor, I attest that the work you're about to see is my own and that I am following the letter and the rules by which this exam project is being given. I am working on Group A, number 1. Henrietta Swan Leavitt. What did she do? Well, she was studying Cepheid variable stars inadvertently when she was given the task to study these pictures of stars and measure the luminosities for the Harvard Observatory. At the time, women could not use telescopes, and they were just essentially tasked as computers to measure these luminosities. And so Henrietta Swan Leavitt, she noticed that some of these stars had a different brightness level. These stars were in Magellanic Clouds and superclusters and giant clusters, and she noticed, she was like, hold on, this luminosity changes, and within a period of time. So what she figured out was that this time relation to the period of brightness that it would have would give her how far the star is. So the farther the star was, the longer the period was. The shorter the period, the closer the star. So you can have a really dim star with a really long period, and that would mean that it was actually a really bright star that was really far away. Now, with that known, she came out with Leavitt's Law. And a few years later, approximately 1921, 1925, Edwin Hubble wanted to settle a debate between Harlow Shapley and Heber Curtis. And they were debating whether the universe was just the Milky Way galaxy or if there were other galaxies. And using these standard candles that Henrietta Swan Leavitt came out with, which were measuring sticks of how far the closest star was, he started measuring farther stars, and using the Doppler effect, he noticed that these stars are moving outwards at a expansion type of movement. And he noticed that this would only happen when the stars, I would say, would be averaging, or whatever object is moving out, 70 kilometers per second at 1 megaparsec distance. And the speed could be greater than that, but the limit was 70 kilometers per second. So he discovered that we are going on an outward expansion, and there was possibly a Big Bang, which there was. And that's basically what ushered in all these other discoveries, including the Big Bang. My sources are Vox, How Scientists Discovered the Universe is Really Freaking Huge, Henrietta Swan Leavitt Wikipedia, and Charles Liu's lectures. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.